Hi friends, I'm Diana Jackson with Osborne Wood Products. Welcome to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today, we are looking at some customer favorites in our round furniture feet collection. Each of these designs are available in multiple wood types and will be ready to finish. They can be used on couches, dressers, ottomans, cabinets, and much more. The tulip round bun foot is part 4100. This dainty foot is 4 3/4 inches tall and 3 3/8 inches wide. The round turnings make the foot appear tulip-like, which is how it got its name. Next, we have the English Country round bun leg, part 4045. This classic profile has a 4-inch height and 3 1/4 inch width. It features carved beads and coves along with a nice taper at the base of the design. Another popular design is our Devonshire foot, part 6100. This is a great piece for your taller projects as it is 10 inches tall. It is slender with a total width of 2 7/8 of an inch. The stunning curve of the foot will add elegance to your space. Many of these pieces are offered in different sizes and variations, so you can easily find the one most suitable for your project. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.